Are you guys ready for another Kids Meal Toys unboxing video? So I got this huge bag of awesome Kids Meal toys from Goodwill. Ooh, I see some big houses in here. I see some trolls for only $1.99. Let's go ahead and unbag this. Hey guys, looks like there are only 4 toys in this set, but look at how super exciting they are. Hello Sanrio and Trolls toys. Can't wait to unbag these. Check it out, guys. First up, we have the Hello Sanrio set number 7. It's the Hello Kitty Fashion Boutique. Yay! Hello Kitty. Ooh, looks like it comes with collectible coin too. Hello Kitty set. Put this down for a second. You got the Hello Kitty collectible coin. Here are the instructions. Apply the stickers. Look at all these beautiful stickers that come with. It's all sealed. Look at it, all pretty. Pink and red. Perfect for the Hello Kitty color. And here is the playhouse, guys. The Hello Kitty playhouse. It's pink. It's got bow ties. It's got shingles. Look at it. It's nicely designed. It even has an awesome bow tie. I already have a sticker on there. So many windows. Let's go ahead and take a look at Hello Kitty's playhouse. Whoops, on the wrong side, guys. It's this side. And we have the Hello Kitty in the bag. Let's go ahead and check out Hello Kitty. Oh wow, she is super pretty. Check it out, guys. Pink bow tie. Check out her dress. It's pink with purple bow tie belt. Pretty awesome right there. Very light and elegant. Let's go ahead and see how Hello Kitty looks like inside her little pretty playhouse. Check it out. Speaking outside the window, she sees you. Looks like we are lucky enough to get another Hello Sanrio. This is the Pom Pom Purin. I'm not too familiar with this character. You get this collectible coin, Pom Pom Purin. All these awesome stickers, just like the Hello Kitty, but this is Pom Pom Purin's own stickers. Yellow, a lot of yellow colors, and similar to the Hello Kitty, you place the stickers all around the house to make it look super pretty. And there is him himself, Purin. Orange house. Look at the nicely sticker. Looks like a restaurant, right? With a puppy top. Let's go ahead and open his house. Remember, this side. And there is Pom Pom Purin, guys. Check him out. Looking very artsy, right? With looks like a mustache. Kind of reminds me of Pikachu, like a fat Pikachu with his artsy brown hat. Let's go ahead and put him back in his house and see how it looks like inside his cute house. There you go. Pom Pom Purin. Almost as fun as the Hello Kitty. Are you guys still with me? Next up, we have the DreamWorks Trolls. This is the Fuzzbird. Looks like it's set number 5. Ooh, plenty of stickers. Here's Fuzzbird, but I can't see his eyes or face. But I also have to unbag this coloring book with a coloring pencil. Let's see if we can find a face of Pom Pom Purin. All I see is neon green hair. I can feel his face, but I can't find his eyes and nose. I just can't, guys. Can you guys? Look at his feet. It's all hair and feet. It's ridiculous. Alright, so Pom Pom Purin comes with the coloring pencil that you see right here. It's the green color. Ooh, he almost fell right there. Be careful. The wind is blowing him all over the place, guys. He just wants to roll around. Got this collectible coin, right? And you put the coloring pencil on Pom Pom Purin. Here's the coloring book. Comes with plenty of stickers. Ooh, look at all these stickers. Pretty awesome right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the coloring book. Pages of mazes, something you color, put stickers on there. Puzzles, all kinds of goodies. Tic-tac-toe. And here's the back of the book. And I'm going to give you a quick demo. Let's say we were playing tic-tac-toe, right? And X, O, X, O, X, O, X. X wins. Just like that. Pretty awesome, right? Lastly, we have another Trolls, DreamWorks Trolls number 6. This is the DJ toy. How many of you guys have seen the Trolls movie? I haven't. And here is DJ. I didn't know there was a girl. Check out her awesome orange hair coloring book and the coloring pencil. There's also orange that comes with it. I'm gonna put the book down for a second. Let's take a look at her. She's got her DJ headphones on, probably Beats by Dre. She's got a green nose, guys. Kind of looks a little bit like Smurf. Spiked up, soft hair. So I'm gonna put the coloring book on. I mean the coloring pencil. See that? It's pretty awesome right there. And the stickers she comes with has plenty of characters on there. Very colorful indeed. Music themed. And also, let's take a look at the book, guys. The coloring book right there. See? Ooh, that's cool. Put your name right there. Ooh, put mix and match stickers, right? Here's a puzzle page. More coloring. This is a drawing book. See if you can draw like the left page. Some more for stickers. And lastly is a maze. That's pretty awesome. Here's the back. There you go. That's a DJ. Awesome, isn't it? Guys, and here are all 4 sets of toys, ranging from the awesome Trolls with coloring book and coloring pencil to the sand reel with awesome houses. Make sure you collect them all, have them all in your collection, and make sure you click on the like, comment, share, subscribe button. How's everybody enjoying this summer? It's almost time for school, but what better way to celebrate it than with another Kids Meal Toys unboxing. This is episode number 5. Look at all these fun toys in here. And I definitely see a Batgirl in there. Let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? You guys are not gonna believe this. For $2.99, I got 8 awesome toys. Look at this. Batman, Riddler, Batgirl, something from Wendy's, Secret Life of Pets, this Despicable Me 3. Can't wait to unbox each. Let's do it. Alright guys, first up we're gonna start things off with Batman, the animated series. Looks like this came out in 1993. Oh wow, quite a while ago, guys. Look at how awesome Batman is. Batman! Check it out. This is the classic Batman. Black, gray, and the yellow. This is definitely the classic Batman. Check it out, guys. See his battle gear, everything looks awesome. And I believe his cape, you can remove it. See, it pops out like that. It pops back in. His head doesn't really turn that much, but his arm definitely goes up and down, ready for battle. His legs doesn't move. How awesome is that, guys? Alright, next up we have, also from the Batman anime series, is the Riddler. Evil Riddler. Here goes Riddler. Check him out, guys. Riddler is known for his question marks and his riddles, always trying to outsmart Batman and try to fool him with these ridiculous riddles. See, his purple matches with his green and gray pants and green shoes. His arms rotate upward like that, ready to block the Batman, and this one rotates inward. The torso moves a little bit. Check out his goggles, and on the back, quite nice. Riddler. We have Batgirl. Wow. Batgirl, where you at? Here I am. Check out Batgirl. Batgirl has red hair, looks like. Blue eyes. Color similar to Batman's, except hers has more blue to it. Her torso doesn't move too much, but her arms rotate up and down. This one is pretty much blocking, saying hello. Check out her awesome blue boots and her little blue cape. That's Batgirl. Alright guys, next up we have 2 of the same thing. These are from Wendy's. It's called Cartivities from the kids meal. So I'm gonna only open up one. One of these I might give away to a lucky winner. Guys, inside this set is a red headband. And this is actually a game. Basically what you want to do is stick a card on the top of the headband and make a guess. Use your head, see, without peeking at the picture cards. Place one card in a special spot on the headband and put it on your head. Now ask other people to give you clues and try to guess which card you're wearing. That's pretty awesome. Comes with this storage. So let's go through these. You have penguin, castle, dragon, and a whole bunch of other goodies. See that? Here's how the game works. Basically what you're gonna do is pick a card and then place it, have your friend do it, place it, such for example this penguin on top of the headband, and they're gonna place it on top of your head, and you're gonna have your friends give you a couple clues so you can guess, maybe with 3 tries, and whichever one of you guesses the fastest wins the game. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? And next up we have the awesome fun, The Secret Life of Pets. I even watched the movie. How many of you guys watched it? It was super fun. I loved it. I can't wait for part 2. So not gonna believe it, but I got Pops. Look at Pops. Comes with the tag. Super fun. Looks exactly like the movie. Look at his long ears. He's got this rolling chair. It's awesome. I love his ears. He's got such short legs. Pops. Make sure you guys get this in your collection. And next we have the Despicable Me 3. How many of you guys have seen the movie? I haven't. So here is Pumping Iron Minion. Let's see how he works. Press the switch in the back and he pumps iron up and down. It also comes with this awesome collectible coin, guys. Let's see how he works. Check him out. Oh, he's only got one eye. It's like one of these one-eye minions. And there is this button. You see that? So detailed, guys. Exactly like the movies. Look at, he's got this awesome bib. See? Pumping iron. See that? See that in motion? Ah, that's awesome. I love this. I love working out too. Yes. Get those gains. Build up those muscles. And lastly, guys, we have set number 7, also from Despicable Me 3. This looks like a huge boat in here. So inside the bag, you get Brad's Rad Speedboat. Say that fast 3 times with a collectible coin, and let's see how you use it. So what you're gonna do is pull it back, and he moves forward. I wonder how well he floats. I'm gonna put him in the water. Should I do that, guys? And check him out, Brad. Look at his awesome carrot top hair. Purple color. Look at that. Wheels on the bottom, the 3 wheels. See the boosters. I bet you this goes really fast too. That's awesome. Look at that. Guys, are you ready to see how well Brad's Rad Speedboat floats? Just throw him down in the river right here. The water. There he goes. Oh no! He flipped over! Check it out, guys. Here are all 8 sets of toys. Which one do you guys like the most? Is it Despicable Me 3? Is it the Batman? Is it the Secret Life of Pets? Or is it the Wendy's cartoons? Make sure you subscribe for more exciting toy reviews